Hello viewers, welcome to VrushuRaj classes YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to start the first chapter of mathematics of class 10, that is real numbers. And in this video, we are going to discuss the important concept explained in this chapter, that is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So we are going to talk about fundamental theorem of arithmetic. What exactly is this theorem? What exactly is the meaning of this theorem? And how are the questions asked based on this theorem? So all about this fundamental theorem of arithmetic will be explained in this video. So please do watch this video till end. This is going to be a very short but very important video for the students of class 10. So without wasting time, let's start with the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. But before I start, I would like to request all my viewers, all my students, that please do press the subscribe button to subscribe our channel so that you will get the regular updates of such useful and important videos. Okay. So now let's start with this theorem. So first of all, what exactly is the statement of this theorem? So the statement of this theorem says every composite number can be expressed, means factorized, as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Means what exactly is the meaning of this statement? That every composite number. So for this you should know the different types of numbers. So composite number means the numbers which have more than 2 factors. 2 factors means 1 and the number itself are 2 factors, and apart from this they have more factors. So such numbers are called as composite number. So when we factorize these composite number, they say each and every composite number have unique factorization. Means the factorization of one composite number will not be repeated for the other composite number. And the one more important factor here is that the order of the factors is not important. Okay, I'll explain this with one example. So let's take example of one number. One simple example we'll take, that is 70. 70 is one composite number. Let's start factorization of this. 2, 35, then 5, 5 sevens are, 7 ones are. Okay. We'll take one more composite number. Let's say we'll start with 80, 2, 40, 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5, 5, 1. Okay. One more I'll take. Let's say 42. 42, 2, 21, 3, 7, 7, 1. Okay. So the first thing what it says, that see all these 3 are composite number. Here 1 or 2 factors may or may not be common, but the factorization, the prime factors what we get for 70 means 2 comes one time, 5 comes one time, and 7 is one time. So this 2 into 5 into 7 will not be repeated for any other composite number. So this is unique pattern for this 70. Similarly, 4 times 2. 4 times 2 and 1 time 5 is the unique factorization only for 80. So 4 times 2 and 1 time 5 will not be repeated for any other composite number. Similarly, 2 one time, 3 one time, and 7 one time. So here this is the pattern of factorization for 42. And second point what they say, order is not important irrespective of the order. Okay, this point also I will explain with one example. Let's start with 70. Now 70. 70 we can start with 7. 7 tens are, 2 fives are, 5 ones are. Okay. Now this same 70, if the number is ending with 0 or 5, 5 is definitely going to be one factor. So here we can also start with 5. 5 ones are, 4s are. You can take here 2 or 7. 7. So here 70 we factorized in different way. Here 2, 5, 7. 7, 2, 5. 5, 2, 7. Means in each and every factorization we are getting 2 one time, 5 one time, 7 one time. So this is what exactly this theorem mean to say, that factorization is unique and irrespective of the order of the factor. So this is all about the fundamental theorem of arithmetic of real numbers. Now some simple questions based on this are, they may give you one number, factorize the given composite number, or express the given composite number as the product of its prime factor. In one paper, I came across one question that 90 can be expressed as the product of its prime factor in the following way, and they gave 4 options for this. The first option was 9 into 10. The second option was 15 into 6. Then one more option was 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. And the last option was 2 into 5 into 9. So all this gives you the answer 90. 9 into 10, 15 into 6. If you multiply, we get the answer 90. But what is the question? The prime factorization. 90 can be expressed as the product of its prime factors. So where we have prime factors? In this option 3. Here 9 and 10, they are not prime numbers. 15 and 6, even they are not prime numbers. Here 2 and 5 are prime, but 9 is not prime. So only in this, all the given terms are prime numbers. So this is how the questions are based on one concept. So what you have to do, in each and every video I repeat the same thing. So what the students are supposed to do, instead of studying the different sums, you focus on the concept. If you understand the concept perfectly, properly, you can answer any type of question based on this concept. So this was all about the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. There is one more important concept of this chapter. We will continue that concept in our next video. And as I said, you have to subscribe to get the updates of such important videos. So my dear students, thank you so much for watching this video.